this is the Victorian design. Now you've got one 9-inch tile, which has all been built up in a jig. As you can see, nicely solidly taped, so that's going nowhere. Perfectly square, which has been created in a jig. And you've got your outer components. So the 3 components make the design, but you need 4 of the outer pieces and 4 of the black squares. So centralisation, again, north-south line, centre of the area. You used your 9-inch, because it's a 9-inch tile in total, multiples of 3-inch. You want to ensure your tips are touching all 4 points of the lines. That has a centralisation of the design when laid on a 45 degrees. You've then got your components, which is made up of, it's a 9x3, but we've got individual surface pebbles to make them look individual tiles, are just placed around the outside with your black key squares on the corners. That is the repeat of the design, so everyone knows that. So it'll continue because that's how it comes within the box. Then you simply just complete the build. Once it's all stuck and installed, you remove the carrier tape, because that's all that is, a carrier tape. It's not to be left on there.